Hello my dear viewers, welcome to my channel. How are you? I hope you are hale and hearty. Dear viewers, keyboard shortcuts are needed when we work in MS Word. As a result, we need to know the commands. Today I am going to show you how to give A to Z keyboard shortcut commands in MS Word. If you want to know, watch the video to the end. I believe that after watching the video, you can give shortcut commands of MS Word easily. Before starting the main topic, I request you to subscribe my channel, please. Let's get started. Dear viewers, first of all, we have to use Ctrl plus A. Now I have pressed Ctrl plus A. Now see, all pages have been selected. Use of Ctrl plus B. Dear viewers, select any paragraph and press Ctrl plus B. Now see, the text has been bold. Use of Ctrl plus C. Select any word and press Ctrl plus C and press Ctrl plus B. Now see, the word has been added here. Use of Ctrl plus D. Dear viewers, press Ctrl plus D and see, the font dialog box has been opened here. Use of Ctrl plus E. Dear viewers, now select any paragraph and press Ctrl plus E. Now see, the text has been come at center. Now use of Ctrl plus F. Dear viewers, now press Ctrl plus F and see, at the left side there is a navigation, and in the box write any word from the table. And see, the words have been selected. Now the use of Ctrl plus G. Dear viewers, now press Ctrl plus G and see, a dialog box has been opened. Now write in the box any page no, such as 3, and click on Go to. Then the selected page will have come. Now the use of Ctrl plus H. Dear viewers, press Ctrl plus H and see, a dialog box has been opened. In the blank box write a word and click on Find Next. Now see, a word has been selected. Now you click on Find Next again and see another word has been selected. In this way you can find your words. Now dear viewers, if you want to change the word, now write in the box that word and at last click on Replace All. Now I have clicked on Replace All. Now see, all the words have been changed. Now the use of Ctrl plus I. Now select any word and press Ctrl plus I. Now see, the word has been italic. Now the use of Ctrl plus J. Dear viewers, now select a paragraph and press Ctrl plus J. Now see, the paragraph has been justified. Now the use of Ctrl plus K. Dear viewers, now press Ctrl plus K and see a dialog box has come. From here you select any file and at last click on OK. Now see, the hyperlink has been attached here. Now the use of Ctrl plus L. Dear viewers, select any paragraph and press Ctrl plus L and see, it has been left alignment. Now the use of Ctrl plus M. Dear viewers, now press Ctrl plus M and see, the margin has been added. Now the use of Ctrl plus N. Dear viewers, now press Ctrl plus N and see, a blank document has been opened here. Now use of Ctrl plus O. Dear viewers, now press Ctrl plus O and see, from here you can open a file. Now the use of Ctrl plus P. Dear viewers, press Ctrl plus P and see, the print option has been opened. From here you can give print command. Now the use of Ctrl plus Q. select any paragraph and press Ctrl plus Q and see paragraph formatting has been removed here. Now the use of Ctrl plus R. Dear viewers, select any paragraph and press Ctrl plus R. Now see the paragraph has been right alignment. Now the use of Ctrl plus S. Dear viewers, now press Ctrl plus S and see it has been saved. Now the use of Ctrl plus T. Dear viewers, now press Ctrl plus T and see the left indent has been added. Now the use of Ctrl plus U. Dear viewers, select any sentence or paragraph and press Ctrl plus U and see under the text a underline has been added here. Now the use of Ctrl V. Dear viewers, now select any word and press Ctrl plus C and in any place click and press Ctrl plus B. Now see the word has been added here. Now the use of Ctrl plus W. Dear viewers, if you want to close Word document, press Ctrl plus W and see the Word document has come, and from here you can click on any option such as save, don't save and cancel. Now I have clicked on save. Now the use of Ctrl plus X. Dear viewers, select any word and press Ctrl plus X. See the word has been removed from here and click on any place and again press Ctrl plus V. Now see the word has been attached here. Now the use of Ctrl plus Y. Dear viewers, at first any word you can cut and paste again. Now you press Ctrl plus Y and now see the word has been defeated here. Now the use of Ctrl plus Z and at last. Dear viewers, first you delete world and press Ctrl plus Z and see it has been come again. In this way you can use A to Z shortcut keyboard command of MS Word. So my dear viewers, if you subscribe my channel, thank a lot. Or if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe now. And do like, comment and at last click on bell icon. Thank you very much for watching the video up to end. May God bless you. See you again. Bye.